Hello. So I'd like to introduce Howard. I think I've known him for 15 years now, believe it or not, as a candidate in years gone by. Howard lives in Northfield, and is a senior C# developer stroke architect. I just wanted to dive straight into the first question, if I can, Howard, just to talk a little bit about your favourite technology stack and where your strengths lie, if I can.
Sure. Well, I really like the .NET platform. My favorite language is C#. The dev tools are really fantastic. And with things like Xamarin and Unity, you can now reach almost any platform. For pure web stuff, I also like Node.js. It's super fast, and the ability to write a complete system where the client and server side are using the same language can really make you very productive.
Yeah. Good stuff. And so in terms of the kind of projects you've been working on, I know you've been around the industry for some time, but maybe thinking about more recent stuff, is there a particular project which best describes your abilities?
I'm working on software for several of the UK's largest ambulance systems. When I joined the project, there were some major challenges to sort, which I did against pretty tight timescales. My favorite contribution to that, which was a kind of a business intelligence piece, but delivered as a C# piece of code. It was a quality engine that you could run on the ambulance tablet and against the back-end database. So crews could get real-time feedback and quality checks to ensure they were delivering a high quality of care. And also the admin team could deliver the reporting, the national statistics. And that went from being several months behind to being right on schedule and correct.
Cool. And what kind of technology was that, Howard?
That was a C# project. I wrote a couple of sort of dependency injection layers so that it could either take data from a SQL database or read the data files from the device directly. I mean, my most recent role has been a BI role, but I've still been pretty heavily a .NET developer in that context. So, yeah.
Super. And moving on to the kind of role we're looking for then, in an ideal world, what would that be for you, do you think?
Looking for a senior or lead developer type role where I can help solve difficult problems in a creative and elegant way. I enjoy working as part of a team, and I enjoy mentoring junior staff as well, so they can develop high quality code and good coding practices.
Yeah, super. And type of organization, any preferences on that basis?
Genuinely, I've worked for really small startups, really large firms. I don't mind as long as they're not dysfunctional.
Yeah, super stuff. Okay, all right. Well, look, that's all I need to know, Howard. Good talking to you again. And I will speak to you very shortly. All right.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Thanks a lot, Carl. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Is that done? Can you hear me, Howard? Is that...